The fleeting symphony of being. The spark. Imagine a single, tiny spark. That's where we begin. Not with grand pronouncement, but with the quiet miracle of existence. From the cellular dance that forms us to the first gust of air life unfolds, we're born into a world of sensory overload. Light, sound, touch. This initial pass is pure, unadulterated experience, a raw emission in the present moment. We learn to crawl, to walk, to speak. It's Militon, a statement to our inherent drive to explore and connect. The seeds of curiosity are planted and the journey begins. The melody. Life is a static note. It's a melody, a dynamic interplay of joy and sorrow, triumph and setback. We chase dreams, build relationship, and grapple with the inevitable challenge that shape us. There are moments of soaring high, the rush of love, the satisfaction of achievement, the simple beauty of a sunset. But there are also dissonant chords, heartbreak, loss, the sting of failure. These experiences, both sweet and bitter, weave together to create the unique composition of our lives. We learn to adapt, to find resilience, to seek meaning. In the minds of chaos, we discover our passions, our values, the sting that truly resonate with our souls. Explain the fleeting symphony. This title encapsulates an philosophical or artistic concept that templates that ephemeral nature of existence. It suggests that life, with all its experiences, emotion, and consequences, is a temporary, beautifully arranged composition. It emphasizes the transcendent quality of being, portraying it not as a static entity but as a dynamic and ever shifting melody. Explanation. Fleeting. This word highlights the impermanence of life. It implies that everything we experience, moments, relationship, even our own sense of self, is temporary and subject to change. It evokes a sense of fragility and the preciousness of time's symphonies. This term elevates and concept of transcends to a level of artistry and harmony. A symphony is a complex musical composition with various movements and instruments all working together to create a cohesive and beautiful whole. In this context, it suggests that life's impermanence is not a take of random, but rather a carefully orchestrated arrangement. Each fleeting movement contributes to the overall beauty and meaning of existence. It also hints at the interconnectedness of all things. Being, this word refers to the fundamental nature of existence, encompassing consciousness, experience, that state of simply existing. It delves into the core of what it means to be alive and aware. It points to the center subject of work, the nature of our existence.